Hi friends, we have our last Piggy and Elephant book. This one's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And remember, the author is Mo Willems. He wrote all these Piggy and Elephant books. Mo Willems has written a lot of other books too. You will have to check those out sometimes. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Let's see what this is about. Ooh, I wonder at the end of this book if we'll have to search for the pigeon. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald! He's turning and looking at him. What do you want to do today? I want yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? What do you think he wants? Choo! Notice how I went like this when I sneezed? Right into my elbow. Oh, elephant sneezed. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Oh, there he goes again. Look at Piggy when he sneezes. I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if? Ooh, he's looking kind of sad. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Uh-oh. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Elephant says, sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Oh, what a bummer. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh, poor elephant. Look how sad he looks, guys. He's just crying and there's tears flying. But, Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Look at Piggy, guys. He's getting ready for the sneeze. Choo! Goodbye. Gerald? Oh, I see someone new in this picture. There's a cat and he has a question mark. He's thinking. Are you okay? It's like Dr. Cat. No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! We need to teach Mr. Elephant to cover his sneeze, don't we? Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. Uh-oh. Oh, here's the cat talking. He says, I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Oh. Elephant's like, whoo? I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! doctor? Oh my goodness, Elephant's happy that he's sick. Piggy, 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 great news! What's his great news? I have a cold! Good for you. Uh-oh. Who got Gerald's cold? Piggy did. Oh, poor Piggy. The end. All right. Can you guys find the pigeon in this one? A little bit easier than the other ones we've seen. Yep, there he is right here. Have a good day.